67 Leaf Rock here. Today, we're making a YouTube video about
motorcycles.
my favorite one is Harley Davidson Fat Boy. His is too. We like motorcycles. They go pretty cool. They got a nice tank.
You do some cool flips on it. They do a donut
Pop a wheelie. I got this one game
wheelie.
where you can pop a wheelie like this. Just pop a wheelie, but if you go too long, it flips upside down and you like die on the game.
And then I saw this one show where like the motorcycle like did like something on the wheels.
Something on the wheels. And then there's yeah, it's pretty fun. Leave a comment of what your favorite motorcycle is. As a reminder, we like the Harley Davidson Fat Boy. They go pretty cool. They go pretty fast.
They got a nice tank.
Nice tank. There's
cool wheels.
Nice like.
The sights.
Yeah, they're pretty, just like pretty cool, right?
Yeah, but like you gotta be careful on motorcycles. You can break your head and then so. But they're really fun. I'm not saying like I hate them. I love them. So.
Yeah, I love motorcycles. I want my dad to get one. I want to get one when I get older. So see you in my next video. Okay, bye.